and that's how you calculate the magnitude of vector, which is the distance between 2 points. Same way, same thing. In this case, we use the magnitude of vectors. Remember, since we are talking about vectors, that means the formula that we will use is this one. And the same way to find a new vector, if you know two vectors, you are using this, the addition or subtraction of two vectors. Now we have a special case where the magnitude of a vector is 1. What happens if magnitude of vector is 1? So the length of a vector is 1. This is called unit vector. Alright. Let's use the previous example. Let's say the magnitude of vector OA is 10, right? How do we make this vector into a unit vector? The formula that they have is the formula that they have is OA. This is how you represent the unit vector, which is OA hat. The small thing here is called hat. OA hat is equals to the vector itself divided by the magnitude of that vector. Okay, which will give you OA is what is OA again? 6, 8. So you have the magnitude is 10, OA 6, 8. So you divide each of these by 10, which will give you 6 over 10 and 8 over 10, which will equals to 3 over 5 and 4 over 5. So this is the unit vector of A, or OA hat. So the case that I've showed you is in two-dimensional case. So in the reason why is it's easier for me to visualize it, and hopefully easier for you to understand by the visual. What happens if you have 3D, the case in 3D? Let's say you have a vector, let's say I have points A in 1, 3, and 5. It is representing X, Y, and Z. Point B in 3, 6, -3, and point C in -4, -5, and -3. So I have these 3 points. Then I want to find the column vector AB. That means I have to subtract B from A. I have to subtract A from B. So 3, 6, -3 minus